Hi guys, Dan with Index Option Trading on December the 6th, and we're looking at the chart of SPX here. We're sitting right here at the 200-day moving average, unable to pierce through it. The market has run up here from 1160 to 1258 of 100 points in 1 week, and then it has stalled because it got overbought here, and the stochastic is showing us an overbought condition. Unless there's a real push comes in here, we may stall and go sideways a little bit and then try to retake that 200-day moving average. The volumes on it on the stocks were today lower, 178 million shares on SPY. It was a lackluster day with a spinning top, nothing more happening on it, and the market is just stalling right now. In terms of the news that are coming out from Europe, that credit downgrade may come through, and some other news that came in that did not help the market at all. If you look at SPY, let's go take a look at 2 days and see how it did. It gapped up again here on Monday, and today it just started coming up here. Let me just put a 5-minute chart here, and it just moved sideways for a little bit, and then it just stalled, and it just went up here today and it stalled at that 200-day moving average. So the performance was very lackluster, and the volume was low, and that means that enough buyers were not there in the market. The direction of the market still stays up, and looks like on this 200-day moving average on SPY it's closed above it, and on the SPX it does not show that, but it extremely is overbought, and that's why it is behaving like this. We can use another study here and take a look at with McClellan oscillator and see how that is performing. On McClellan oscillator, if I can get one, yes, it is almost neutral here. And let's look at the McClellan oscillator on SPX, and it's sitting there at about 62, which is almost a neutral reading. Dow Jones, on the other hand, DJI, the direction of the market, let's take a look at it, is faring much better, and is above that 200-day moving average as 12,150. As long as it stays above the 1200, that is the great way to look at it. And RUT, which is the broad market, we cover that and see how that has done. It is lagging behind. It needs to clear about 770 here to go up higher. Some of the stocks that we had are just overbought. CMG got overbought, so we did not enter into that position, and we're waiting to see if it pulls back a little bit. If it does, gives an opportunity to buy. PCLN, that's another one that we have, is not faring that well. It's sitting at the 480 levels, and it fails to go past this 50-day moving average, and is sitting at a neutral conditions right now. ULTA, which is another stock that is a bullish stock that we're looking at it in the same time, also pulled back here a little to 79. So these stocks are pulling back because of the overbought conditions. And UTA, and we had another one, PNRA, Panera Bread, that one is also pulling back. So the whole market is kind of pulling back here a little bit. A day or two it may, or a few days it may do so, and work off these overbought conditions. And if we get some kind of a good news here, then this market should take off for the year end. So that is all for today, and I will get back to you with another edition.